Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Ethereum. We're going to take a look at Ethereum on macro scale. We're going to take a look at Ethereum on the quarterly basis. All right. So don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join my public Telegram group. Link in the description. You can also subscribe to the channel if you find the content useful. All right. So now let's go ahead and dive into the analysis, the macro analysis for Ethereum for the next few months and so on. Right. So as you know, I'm already bullish on Ethereum. It doesn't really matter what the lower degree is going to be doing. If Ethereum is going to be dropping down to a 1300, 1200 and all of that good stuff, I'm still going to be bullish on the macro scale. All right. So now talking about the macro scale, we first going to take a look at the bottom formation we got back in 2018 and 2019 all the way down to 2020, right? As you can see right here, we did get a nice bottom formation, and price action could not close below this yellow line, which is like a solid bottom formation right here on the quarterly basis. So you take a look at it, the last quarter of the 2018, which is basically the December lows, right? Last quarter of 2018. You can see that price action did not close below 130, 136, right? Same thing, the first quarter of 2019, price action refused to close below 130 again. Okay, just about like 127 and so on, right? So, and you can see like the first quarter of 2020, which was the pandemic dump, the COVID-19 dump, price action did not even close again below 126, 127. So it has been a pretty solid consolidation range. You can call it quarterly consolidation, you can call it yearly consolidation, right? But the main thing is like the range of accumulation being pretty solid. Okay, so now the main thing I just wanted to focus on, okay, and I wanted you guys to focus on is like the distance, okay, or the price level, or the percentage gain between like support and resistance. Okay, it has been pretty constant for Ethereum bulls, right? So if you take a look at it from bottom to top, we got like multiple resistances, right? The first resistance was like 260, 270 right here, and we got another resistance on a quarterly basis at basically 730, 750 area, and now we're creating another resistance just about like a 1780, 1680 area. Okay, depending how we're going to be closing the quarterly basis. So it really doesn't matter even if we do not close the quarterly basis at 1780, it is still a resistance, because Ethereum could definitely be staying sideways for the next few months and so on. So we just don't know. But one thing we just want to say is like the percentage gains, right, is pretty constant from support to resistance. The first percentage gain was like 135, 140 area. The second one was like 150, give or take, okay, and the third one was like 140. So what I'm anticipating is like we could potentially see another resistance if the Ethereum bulls manage to break the 1780. We could see another potential move from this resistance level, right, at 1780 range, all the way up to basically a 4K area, okay, within the next like a few quarters and so on. Once again, I'm not saying like I don't think, okay, Ethereum bull is gonna do it like in 1 month. That's why I'm saying like it could be a quarterly projection where we're gonna be looking for sometime in the summer Ethereum to pump like all the way up to 4K, if and only if the bulls gonna be strong enough to break like the 1780 resistance all the way up to 2050 resistance level. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover for Ethereum. Once again, the macro scale, it is still bullish. We just have to be very cautious, but I'm still bullish. Can we drop lower? We're going to talk about it in another video, right? But the macro scale, quarterly basis, closing above all-time high right here. If you take a look at the 50-day cycle, also as we said, that's the first 50-day cycle closing above all-time high. So everything looking pretty bullish for Ethereum. So let's see over the next like a few months what we're gonna get, and how we're gonna be breaking above 2000 area and basically try to challenge 4K area over the next like a few months, right? All right guys, thanks a lot for watching.